Do you know how to place doors and windows accurately so that you don't have to move them? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years, and one of the things that is really important is to reduce the time you spend on things. Placing doors and windows accurately the first time will save you a lot of work moving them back and forth, getting them in the right location. So in this movie, I'm going to cover in detail how to place doors and windows accurately. You can see I've already placed them all. I'm going to delete all these and I'm going to go and place them and show you how to place them accurately. I'm going to start with my door tool. There it is there. I'm going to start by choosing a door. I've got an internal door here, which is already set up the way that I want. And you can see that my insertion point is in the center of the door. I can be on the left side or the hinge side. I can be in the center. I can be on the strike side or the right side of the door. Or I can be in somewhere else, some custom location. So I'm going to choose the center for this because what I'd really like to do is I'd like to find the center of this wall. Midpoint, click, and there's my door centered on that opening right there. Now for the laundry door. Again, this is reasonably easy because I'm going to use the center line. I'm going to find the center of that internal wall. You can see I'm on the inside face. Click, click, and I've placed that door. The next door that I want to place is the French door. This is my French door here. And you can see I'm in the center, but actually what I'd like to do is to place it a specific distance from this point. Now, if you're used to using your doors and placing them by the center line, then you can use the center line. I want to use the right side. There it is there. So I'm going to click. So I'm going to use this to place the door. So I can just create a datum. I could move across from the datum and I could click again, and it places the door there for me. And so now you can see that what I really need to use is the left side of the door. Find that datum, come along, click, and I can click to place that door again, and there it is, located. But what I really need to do is to use this mode here. This is the offset insertion mode. So I click to start, I can then click to place my door, and I can then move away from my measuring point, click, and then I can type in the actual distance that I need that to be. 24 inches, maybe 900 millimeters, let's make that 36 inches. And I've now got 36 inches between that point and the start of my door. Now, if you don't like the location of that door and you do want to move it, then there's a set position button. If I choose the set position button, I can click at that starting point, click at my door, and now I can change that to 24 inches or 600 millimeters. And so that's a great way of locating your doors and placing them accurately. Hey, thanks for watching. My community is absolutely full of these kinds of tricks, and we get together every week to discuss tips and tricks and how to use Vectorworks more effectively. Become a member. Click on the link in the description. See you later.